Welcome back again, Divine Detox Goddesses. Christine here with day 3 of our Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. Today is an action step day. Yesterday I shared a lot of information about what it takes to eliminate the harmful foods, behaviors, and cravings that we all experience on our detox path. There can be so many big boulders in our detox success path, and trying to navigate around them often knocks us completely off the path, right? And I know you need some strategies for dealing with all of this. So I have an awesome handout for you today, because today's strategy is to eliminate one harmful food, one harmful behavior, and one pesky craving that's been getting in your way on your detox path. You can find that handout link in this post, so after this video you can go download that, read it over, and then fill in the simple template I've provided for you. What you need to do is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't go into detail here about how to do that. Yesterday I went into a lot of detail about dealing with the emotions and behaviors that knock us off the detox wagon. So if you haven't watched the day 2 video yet, I encourage you to pause this video and go back and watch the first one. What I want to do is to give you a quick overview of the foods, behaviors, and cravings that are best to eliminate to make your detox more successful. Let's start with the most harmful foods. The foods that are best to eliminate when you are on the Divine Detox diet are meat, dairy, grains, beans, nuts, and all processed and junk foods. So this includes soft drinks, alcohol, refined salt, flour, and sugar, and all processed condiments. These are all acid-forming foods that will slow down your detox. Now on your handout, I've listed those foods so you have that list to choose what you will eliminate this week that you haven't already. Okay, the behaviors and emotions that are best to eliminate are anger, arguing with family and friends about your detox commitment, spending too much time on electronic devices and social media, being in denial about your illness, making excuses about why you can't stay on your detox, and justifying why you are eating foods that don't serve your detox. Now, I know all these detox challenges that creep up almost every day, and I know this may be some tough love coaching you're getting from me here. But if you are participating in this Rock Your Detox challenge, then you know you must go deeper into dealing with these issues. Because these negative behaviors are just as acid-forming and damaging as the foods. And speaking of foods, what about eliminating cravings? Perhaps we may not be able to completely eliminate them, but at least we can learn how to curb them and deal with them. So in your handout, I've provided a page on how to create an emergency cravings kit. You can use that to help you with your cravings. Now, I'm not saying that dealing with them is easy. They can be a result of physical or emotional imbalances. But having a go-to plan that you can fall back on is the best way I've found to deal with cravings. So you will cave in less and less. So your action step is to go download that handout and fill out the template with at least one harmful food, one harmful behavior, and one pesky craving that has been getting in your way on your detox path. Then come share that in the Facebook group, even if you just share that you've completed it. Make sure you take a few minutes to do that today so you're ready for tomorrow's video, when I share how to incorporate healing foods and behaviors to help you really rock your detox and get awesome results. So, see you tomorrow. And again, I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.